I thought that emotional blockages or whatever I was going through, when I saw that you can be emotionally fit in 5 days, as usual, anybody would be skeptical that because we would be experiencing it for so long time, we will be feeling that okay, in 5 days. Can we get that? Okay, let's just try. Anybody would have that attitude. So even I also had, let me give it a try because this whole week I've kept for learning and um, uh, investing on myself. So I thought, okay, but the first day you started, I was clean bowled because most of the things were taken away. Itself solved 90% of my problem. Okay. So when the blockages were removed, I really understood that yes, you were right. In 5 days, we can remove them. We can be fit. So when we are fit, we move forward, right? So by the end of this fifth day, I feel that it was so easy. Why did I not come across this? Or why did I not come across Amisha? And as you said, you're making it so simple and easy for us to understand that we are not feeling that it is, oh, it's a big thing. We have to spend so much of time, and we are not feeling that. And especially when I sit to do this, as you said, nobody would even notice what I'm doing. It's so easy, it's really practical. Anywhere, any place, with anybody I can use this. um, so that is where it is really practical. And it's not just theory that you said. It was not just gyan or just motivation that after 5 days, yes, it is going to go back. No, it's a lifelong technique that you have taught, and it's simple, easy, anywhere we can do, and uh, lifetime warranty like it has. And definitely when we use this, there won't be situation that we have to reuse this, because you have channelized it so well that yes, we can think of only going in, growing in terms of growing and not coming back to that, because we know that going back is not right. So that kind of auditing is also happening, that yes, it is not right to go there. So thanks a lot, and I hope many people will benefit from this, and they can make a difference. If you can make difference in 5 days, if we practice this, definitely we can make lot of improvement, lot of achievement. And how I will put this is, I will use this for getting my financial independence, because I'm on my own now, and I need to get a very good a life for myself, and definitely I will use this for my financial independence. Thank you so much.